Greetings, Prov is here. It's another time-lapse of drawing madness combat sprites, and today we got some guns to upgrade them. This is gonna be fun. Well, the needed guns are done, so we'll put them in Tron, update the current ones, so they will look like something epic. But at the end of this video I wanted to show you my spreadsheet that I'm currently making. For now, the first page contains the Gruns sprites, the agent sprites, also hands and hands with gloves. The next page contains engineers and the soldats. You probably have seen them in previous videos. If you haven't checked the progress of making them, you can check my previous videos. I will put links in description. Also, the empty page for my new updated versions of guys that will appear in Tron episode 2. They will be put here, so you probably will see them later. I will think about it. Then the next page, some handguns, some shotguns, rocket launchers and submachine guns. Some of them are drawn by me, most of them were made by Crinkles, but I have upgraded them a little bit to fit the style of Madness 11. But for now I have improved my drawing skill, so I will use guns like this, like you have seen in this video. The next page contains assault rifles, some machine guns, some sniper rifles. So this is a really huge pack, contains guns from most of the Crinkles Madness Combat episodes. Also it will be expanded with my own guns. Then the last page for now contains only classic Madness Combat melee weapons. Here you can see some Project Nexus weapons. There are also some Exos, hammers, some weapons from old episodes and incidents and all the stuff. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this spreadsheet. When I finish it, I will probably make it public, I don't know, so the time will tell. And if someone didn't understand what's the point of making such a huge pack of sprites, the answer is very easy. Just imagine me making some cartoon like Tron or Incident, and I just wanna add some agent with submachine gun, and I just don't waste my time searching for sprites in other packs. I just like open my own sprites and then copy the agent and then copy the needed gun just like this and use it in my cartoon. So it's very comfortable and very helpful when you have everything just in one place like this spreadsheet, you know. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you as always, and see you next time in next videos. Bye.